Hey guys, so this is the Papifeed Water Fountain for cats that I purchased on Amazon. I'm going to show you guys what it comes with and how to put everything together. So it comes with actually 4 of these filters, so when you need to replace them in about a week, you have a few extra filters as well. So you just place the filter on there. It works with battery, but you also can plug it into power. I took one of the batteries out right now so that it doesn't turn off while I'm trying to set it up here for you guys. So we just click this in over here. Then you've got this piece over here for the fountain itself. And the best way to do this is actually just take this piece out and stick it on here. This is what's going to push the water through. And then you just clip that in. There you go. And then now we're going to put the battery in to get this thing going. So there's 2 modes. You change the modes by pressing this button over here. I'm going to move this around so you can see the light a little bit better. So when you see the blue light over here, let me just make sure we get this into view here. When you see the blue light on over here, that's actually a motion sensor. So what that does is when your cat comes up to the water fountain, then it'll automatically start spitting out water. And for some cats, they might freak out about that. As you can see over here, my oldest cat, she had no problem just coming up to the water fountain and starting drinking right away with the motion sensor. But the other cat was a little bit skittish and wanted to fight the water fountain. The other option that you can do too is if you press the button on the back here that I was showing you earlier, you'll see this light on. That means you don't have it on the motion sensor setting. And what that does is every 10 minutes, it'll spit out water for about 30 seconds. So it will fill up this bowl over here every 30 minutes for them with 30 seconds of flowing water. And then after 30 seconds, it'll just stop. And that way, if your cat is kind of worried about it when it turns on because of the motion sensor, then this setting is the one that you're gonna wanna use. We've only had this for a few days, so I don't actually know how long the battery would last. You do need 4 AA batteries for this thing. But of course, there is also the option to plug it into power. But if you're traveling or something like that, and just wherever you're putting this thing, you don't really have a spot for power, it's nice to have the option for batteries as well. They say the filters will last for about a week or 2, and then you need to replace them after. That's, I guess, if you want to continue to give your cats filtered water. If not, just use it without the filter, I guess. They also do come in different colors, so I'm just going to show you guys on the Amazon page the different colors that they come in over here. So if you don't want to go with white, you want to go with black or something else, these are the options that you have. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.